Everyone, this is Forex with me live. Today I'm excited to share with you a simple moving average you can use from your higher time frame to the lower time frame. I just target the one moving average you need for your bias in the market. That is to say, when you have this moving average, you run it from the daily to the 5 minute, wherewith you can understand where the market is going. And with this, you can take your trades in your 5 minutes using some other uh, price action patterns and confirmation patterns to run it. So as you can see on my chart now, you will see a blue line which I have drawn. So this is one of the lines that is giving me the bias for where the market is heading or what I'm expecting from the market to look like. So this is what I want to share with you. Now I'm sharing this so that we can all master the best way of trading and we can always take profit from the market irrespective of how it is. Now I am going to be sharing with you the moving averages now so that I won't make this video too long. The first moving average you've seen here is the 5 minute. I'm going to show you how did I get to that. First of all, I don't need these Bollinger Bands. I'm going into the moving average setup. This is the moving average. I'm taking 2,400 simple and the shift is 0. Method is simple, apply to close, and take your chance to look for whatever color that suits you. And this, I corrected the time frame to only 5 minutes. Don't forget, you must make sure you save your time frames. So having done that, there won't be any cluster in your chart and you can apparently see what you're looking for. So I've saved this. I'm moving to the next moving average. For 15 minutes, I'm going to be going to the next moving average. So for me to see the same thing I need to look out for in the market, I just need to keep the color the same. I am using 800, and this time around I'm going to change the time frame to 15 minutes, and that's all. So 800, 15 minutes. For 30 minutes, I'm going to be going to the next moving average. For 30 minutes, I am going into 400. So that's my next time frame. So this is it, and I'm keeping the color the same so that I can see what I need to look out for and also save this. Now for me to continue, please, if you find value in this video, I want you to click like and subscribe, comment for your questions so that I can answer you, and also share this video to as many who needs it. All right, the next moving average I'm going to be looking out for is the 1 hour after the 5:30 minute. So for the 1 hour, I'm going to be using 200. And do you know the point or the most important thing here? For 1 hour, our 1 hour is the bedrock for our trading. 200 moving average is a very good moving average to understand the bias in the market. So for us, even if we skip other time frames on the dailies and on the 15-minute, 30-minute, we can still make use of 1 hour to get the direction of the market and take trades according to that. So I'm changing this to 1 hour, then I'll save it. Then the next one is the 4 hours. So I'm putting my new moving average and putting the new period. So for 4 hours we're going to be having 55. Then I keep every other thing the same except for the time frame. So, and for the daily, I'm moving to daily time frame. So, here is what I'm looking out for. I'm looking out for 10 moving average, then I'm keeping the time frame to daily. So this is how it is. So I've been able to pick each time frames on my chart. So what's the next thing I need to do? What I need to do is to start checking from the daily. Now I'm going to be going to the daily time frames now. Let's see how the market plays out. Now it's taking me a few time to load, but when it's load, I'm going to. So for the daily time frame, we're having okay. Let me just zoom out this portion. Now, as you can see, for the daily time frame, our market remains on a downtrend with this. Don't forget, these candles are traded daily. And for the fact that it is traded daily, a lot of activities are going on here on the lower time frame. So which we are going to inspect now. Let's go to 4 hours based on this. In 4 hours, can you see those activities that were close to the candle on the daily time frame? See what happened in 4 hours. So 4 hours helps us to understand that yes, exactly, the same thing is playing out, which means we have to be looking for a sell trade in this candle. Then we are going to the next candle, which is 1 hour. Can you see this? In 1 hour, it is no exception. We are rallying the we are rallying under the moving average, which shows us that this is probably a sell trade. So, or we should probably be looking for a sell opportunity. So, as you can see, the market rallied down afterwards. So, let's go to 30 minutes. I want to see what's playing here. You can see in 30 minutes, we had the same rally around the moving average. We had the same rally, which shows us that we need to sell. We need to sell. Then after that, we go to 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes also confirms the same point. If you look at it where the market breaks here, and as the market, ranges back towards the moving average, exactly it was like we were looking at the same point for entry in 15 minutes. Now let's go to 5 minute time frame. In 5 minutes, as you can see, this was the position, as many as small as they are. Why I don't do 1 minute is because I don't trade on 1 minute. I would have put 1 minute scalping strategy or moving average to see your position, but I really don't trade in 1 minute. So this is all I've got for you guys. Can you see this is awesome? I don't need to look for a buy trend here. I need to look for a sell trend, because as market pulls back, it also forms some patterns for me to take my trades. Now, look at here. This was the position we had in 1 hour, and see our market has been ranging around the moving average for your sell. Let's look at some other pairs. Let's check for gold. Now, for gold, I'm having this. Let's go to 1 hour as well. For gold, let's go to 1 hour. Sorry, let's go to the daily chart as well. So for gold, our daily chart is this. You can see the market breaks this position, and currently the moving average is above the candlestick. So let's check for 4 hours. The same thing happened here. There was a pin bar that was very close to the moving average, but it returned back to its position. That's what is happening here in the 4 hours. So I'm explaining this trade on a closed market section. So we are on the weekend now. That is why the market is not moving. So these are the things I see to take my trades. And let's go to 1 hour. The same thing plays out here. As you can see, this is also a time for me to do what? To enter long. And the market is confirming my same bias with the moving average I took. Then the next one, this is 30 minutes. Can you see what is playing out in 30 minutes? Can you see what is playing out in 30 minutes? Level, same level here. So let's go to 15 minutes. Can you guess? This is awesome. Can someone just comment awesome in the video? So this is how it is. You can see the level. We are not looking at different level. We are looking at the same level. Wow, this is 5 minutes. Can you see? So for me to enter this trade now, I saw a higher high, lower high, higher low, lower low. Then I saw a higher low here and a higher high from here, which shows that if I put a zigzag around here, which shows that market is trying to change direction after. Let me pull it out for you. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 3 for the market direction, and this is 4. So as you can see, after this, market breaks the structure and continues to move to the upside. So these are what we saw in the market that makes us to start taking our trade. With this, I hope I've been able to give you new knowledge about how to trade profitable in the market. If you have any question, feel free to send it in the comment section, and make sure you please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time.